Hey everyone, how are you doing? Happy Monday. Today I'm going to be talking about Tesla again because, well, I love Tesla and Tesla's having a great momentum move right now. Now, we talked about Tesla a couple times, and I think that the major thing that I pointed out a couple weeks ago was that Tesla was going to be entering the hot zone. Now, at that time, and right now I just have 1 year of data on here that is saying that within 1 year's time, on average, Tesla trades higher by about 4.6% during the run into earnings time frame. But if you actually look at the last 2 years, the average is significantly higher, mainly because of these massive moves that it had over a year ago. But this is demonstrating that Tesla can actually move 20% during this time frame. Now, Tesla's already traded from $900 to $1,145. So pretty massive move, right? But the hot zone is saying that, well, this kind of move is actually kind of normal for Tesla within this time frame. Now, what is even more interesting about this particular move is that this move in Tesla has brought it just below $100 below the previous all-time high. So basically what that means is that when you have a momentum move like this that is right below that high, I mean, it basically looks like it's just a magnet, okay? So, it is a little tricky to get in here just because of the risk reward, but B, I mean, I've been talking about this setup for a while, and C, it's just such a nice shiny object right there, and I just can't imagine Tesla not going up and tapping it. So, what could you do with it here? Well, Tesla still doesn't have earnings until the 20th, and I have to imagine that Elon Musk specifically scheduled the earnings call on 4/20 just because he thought it was going to be funny. I can't imagine that's an accident, but when you're looking at this, I would not be surprised if Tesla made that new all-time high, or at least made the $1,200 price point going into earnings. So at this point, what I would do here, and I mean, I've talked about a couple times looking at a Tesla fly trading to 1200. At this point, I think you could add a Tesla fly with a target of 1200, even just this week, and then go out another week and add another one with a target of Tesla up at 1300. Because when you're looking at how much more this ticker could potentially move, you've got a $91 expected move into next week. And with the report being on this week right here, you still have another $137 it could move. So if you really want to kind of reach for the stars on this one, and let's say you already have the 1200, or you don't already have it, but you want to reach a little bit higher, even let's say you don't even want to go for 1300, okay, because you think that might be a little crazy, you're like, this lady's crazy, you could just go for 1250. That would just be a return to the previous all-time high. And if you did it like this, you could do it in a way that's pretty cheap. $5 for a $50 wide fly, 10 days for this to come through. If it doesn't work, you lose your $5. If it does work, you're risking $5 to make 50. So that's a pretty crazy risk reward ratio. The way that you would manage a fly like this, or any fly, is ideally the ticker trades as close as you can to the center strike by expiration. And what I do a lot of times is I stack flies. So, I'll put on like a fly targeting 1200, then another fly targeting 1250, then another fly targeting 1300. And then basically what I do is, as the price rolls up into those targets, I would just basically take off the one that's targeting 1200 and hold the one that's targeting 1250. And then I would hold the one that's targeting 1300 and then basically just, stair step out of it. The time where that goes completely wrong is if there's some kind of, news or tweet or something like that, and then the entire thing just rolls over and dies and it ends up at 1,000. Then your stock flies tell a very sad story because you had 3 trades on instead of 1. But it works great when things go in your favor. So that is what I have for you here today. Hope you had a great day, great kickoff to the week, and I will see you next time.
Hey traders, it's Danielle here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will never miss the latest take from our trading experts. Did you know that we provide real-time trade alerts so that you know exactly what we're doing, exactly when we're doing it? Go to www.simplertrading.com to learn more. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.